Turning a dream into reality is possible through determination, hard work and sweat. This has been the driving force for Prabhashini Ram, who is the only Indo-Fijian chief officer at Suva Women's Correction Centre. Kritika Kumar with 35-year-old Ram's success story.
Prabhashini Ram dreamt of becoming a doctor, but this did not happen due to financial constraints.
I was a military officer for 5 years, serving there. After that, I wanted to change my job. It was my job, so I applied for Fiji Correction Service. I went through the interview process, likewise with the physical training, and I went through it. And this is my 7th year working with the Fiji Correction Service, and this is my career now.
She says, female or male, an officer is an officer, and the best weapon they can have is knowledge. Ram believes it is important to have knowledge and understanding of our surroundings.
When I joined, there were women, but not as much as men. Yeah, they were supportive in helping me, while I was the only Indo-Fijian girl joining Fiji Correction Service. That's back in year 2003. Yeah, they were supportive to me.
Ram, who is originally from Vanuatu, says there are countless daily challenges in life.
One of the challenges working as a female corrections officer is that time management, working inside and time at home. Finding time at home, we have to balance our time at work and find time with our family members at work, at home again. And a few other challenges are where inmates they get involved into fights. We are there to solve the problem, and we are there to rehabilitate them. And yeah, basically those are the few challenges that we as women correction officers.
Being second in command at the Women's Correction Centre has helped Ram to self-discipline herself.
Really helped me become more disciplined from my previous job, from being civilian life to force life. I've really disciplined myself on timings, my behavior and my approach to everyone else.
Ram says for women, it's a challenge working in a male-dominated field, but the sky is the limit. She is encouraging females to have patience, broaden their knowledge and join the force. Kritika Kumar, FBC News.